Welcome to Nels Crafting. I'm Lily, and today I wanted to take you on a little bit of an adventure because I keep saying that you all should try things that you haven't done before, like get out of your comfort zone and just challenge yourself a little bit, right? And then I realized I haven't taken that kind of huge leap in quite a while, so I actually decided to try out something that I've wanted to try out since I was a kid, and that is to work with leather. I started with getting this starter kit with a bunch of tools that look funny, and I hope I find a use for them. And then I bought some scrap leather pieces that I think the company used for like belts and stuff, so it's pretty thick. I think my plan is to make some bracelets or something similar, and I wanted to bring you along on this little journey, and I hope that it will be, educational or helpful in any way for you. Maybe you can learn from my mistakes, because I know for sure I'm gonna make some mistakes here, so let's try and see what happens.
Sure. Love you. You're adorable. Why you look so sad? You're adorable. Dog said.
This is a piece of one of the new leather pieces. It's pretty thin compared to the first one I got. It doesn't keep the shape the same way, and that's fine. And if you're gonna get into leather, get one of these. First of all, the metal version of these will always be a better plan if you're gonna cut against it, because otherwise you'll end up like I do on all of my rulers, where it's all fine for a little bit and then I've like cut parts of it, and it's hard to use that. Yeah, so metal ruler, but also the cork on the back, because it would be just metal, it would like slide around a little bit, so even if you're like holding it down and cutting towards it, it might like turn a little bit, but with the cork on it, it'll like stay in place. Most places that sell leather seem to have this in stock, so just get one while you're getting the leather. It'll be easier for you. So all in all, I am so happy that I did eventually like take the leap and just buy some leather, buy some random tools and just try it, because it has been so much fun. And there is still like so many different things I want to try. I want to like use, you know, the wood burning thing that isn't technically a wood, it doesn't matter. I want to burn the leather, and I want to do a lot of things. I want to like try out, like, I love making the braids, and I like words. I want to do so much more with leather. And I will eventually. I will, but I will like say that this video is done because I have tried it out, and I want to encourage all of you to try doing that thing that you've always wanted to. Like, if it's working with leather, or if it's painting, or if it's clay, or whatever, just go for it. Try it out. I'm not gonna take up more of your time now. I will be back soon with these things and how these came to exist. And I'm just so happy that I could share these like moments and this experience with you guys. So thank you so very much for just tuning in, watching, and take care out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.